Hi guys, Sandra here, and this is A View for All. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you some pictures of some specialty cakes that I've made throughout time. I got real creative with some fondant frosting. I got a marshmallow fondant recipe and I played around with it, and it's kind of like going back to your childhood. You just start and play with Play-Doh, but you can eat it and it's so good. But I got into some cake making and I did some artistic things, and I thought you might enjoy seeing some of the pictures of the different cakes that I've made throughout time.